So I've been making games for a while, but it usually takes me a very long time to finish these games because, school gets in the way. So I thought about doing one this winter break. Now that I'm from university. So I thought it would be nice to make a game. I think it's cool. So I've done games before, but nothing ever this I guess complex. So I'm going to try and do something fairly complex for my skill level and try to execute it correctly and hopefully people like it. I kind of want to know what people think about the game. So I can't just like release a game like, oh, you guys didn't like it, maybe I should have known that before it took me 6 months to finish the game. So that's what I'm going to do. Record myself doing this thing. Maybe you guys can, get into game development. I'm not a professional by any means, but I'll show you guys what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Yeah, hopefully you guys like it. This is the first Devlog. Try to do it, I guess, weekly or bi-weekly, whenever I have the time. Right now, I have something so far. So far, I have a guy that can run around, kind of slash. The slashing doesn't work yet. An enemy that kind of has a sort of AI in it, kind of follows your position around, and kind of detects you in some sort of sphere thing. Have a little kind of map. It's just like a demo map. Just see if it can jump, see if it doesn't stick to the walls, which is unfortunate. That was happening before. Enemies have health bar. You can take health away from them. They can die. You can cast a fireball, which I think is really cool. Fireballs are nice. I was working on the particle effect so far. I'm not an artist. It looks okay, but I'm liking the way this is going. So I thought, share it with you guys. See how it goes. So usually I start off with a Trello list like this. I've seen other people do it, and I started adopting it myself, and it's really cool. Like, I'm not sponsored or anything, but look at this. Like, I can click here and then get all these other things that I need to do off this task. Like, in order to finish the player, I need to do all these stuff or experiment with some stuff, just things to keep in mind that I had already forgotten about. For example, experiment with ragdoll for player. I don't know how cool that's gonna be. I don't know. For the enemy, for sure, like gain experience from defeating, make it drop money or item or mana once killed. See bones fall apart. That'd be a really cool thing. Add particles, emphasize death, gain experience from defeating, movement, player buff, all those stuff. Yeah. So I like to start off with the Trello list, and because I already have one, I'm gonna start working. I was working on the enemy, and no, I was actually working on the player. I was working on the player and make slashing actually attack. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. And same thing for the enemy. If I can do that tonight, then that's gonna be good. So I've been working on the game for a couple of hours, and I implemented enemy to have 3 circles which you can detect, like it's a field, which you can detect the player coming in through the field. The first one is detect movement, and it will go towards it. And the other one's detect when you can, attack it, hit it. That was a lot more complicated than I thought. I already had an enemy AI, but I had to redo a lot of stuff because it had now 2 fields, and that was pretty hard. Now I'm trying to implement it for the player. I got 2 fields and everything, and it doesn't need a detection one because you're the one controlling it, you can see everything. But it should work, but it's getting an error when I get the rigid body for the enemy, so I can, call its function to reduce its health. I don't know what's going wrong. Pretty tired now, so I'm gonna go to sleep. Who am I kidding? I'm gonna watch some Star Wars and I'm gonna go to sleep. But yeah, that's it for today. Tomorrow I go to work, so nothing for during the weekend. Then Christmas, so probably nothing next week, but after that I'll do something and we'll see where we're at. So Christmas is over, New Year's is over, so basically the break is over. I'm gonna get back working on the game. I've been working on it off camera, just a little here and there, nothing too hard for the break because I didn't have much time to do it. And I did some improvements to the enemy. Yeah, according to my Trello list, it moves a little bit. Then he moves a little quicker, follows the player around a little bit quicker. I didn't allow him to jump, but I kind of wanted to make him jump. I want him to jump, but the way I'm doing it right now is a little weird. I just kind of have a vector, like it's the player vector pointing at this, and I get the unit vector of that vector, so just direction. And wherever it points, the y component is added to the velocity of the enemy, so I guess I have to treat the y velocity different, because then it just starts floating around, and it's weird, but I fixed that by setting the y velocity to 0, so only the next component of that vector matters. Not a great solution, but that's where we're at. Yeah, there's still a lot of bugs. Yeah, lots of bugs. Well, let's get started. Okay, so last time that I was here, I said I was going to work on this. I made some progress. So let me show you guys the game, what I have right now. So you'll notice this experience bar, I just added it. It works right now, it's set to 5 experience. I added an experience curve to this thing, so you can now level up. The leveling up still doesn't work. Controls are a lot more smoother, I believe. The skeleton is a lot quicker now. It doesn't jump now, but it still has that little bug in there. It slashes a lot better now, and I can slash now. It can kill me. I also added objects to this thing you're about to see. So if I just keep it safe and I try killing this guy. Well, you didn't see the potion, but there's supposed to be a potion pop out. So just be conservative and I'll wait to kill it with fireballs. There you go. You see that? That's a potion. Right now, that since my health is, let me take some health off myself. Oh, there you go. Now, health potion, boom. Gets a little bit of health. Which is good. Mana works. Thing works. So far. Now, I just need to make you gain experience from killing the enemy. I'll make a level system, and that's about it for this video, man. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, or check us out on Instagram, see our applications, and I'll see you guys next time.